Good morning guys, today is Sunday and welcome to my channel. We are going to take the delivery of Royal Enfield Meteor motorcycle. Yes, the Meteor motorcycle today, so stay tuned. So guys, we have reached our showroom, this Royal Enfield showroom. So we are waiting outside due to some restrictions due to Corona. After we get inside, we will give you a small tour of the showroom as well. Nearest station of the tender শোরুমটা খুব গোছানো, তাই না? তুই অন্য কোম্পানির শোরুম কিন্তু এত গোছানো এরকম পাবি না। So meanwhile we are taking a test ride of the Interceptor 650. So we are really utilizing our time. Okay. Boss. घोड़ा एक्सीलेटर घोड़ा घोड़ा ना घोड़ा कुछ ज़्यादा ही पिकअप है एंड या दिस bike is quite smooth as well. So मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आना होता है। निकल जल्दी। Sound. So let's start. Engine is quite smooth, although I don't think it comes with slipper clutch assist. Otherwise the shiftings would have been smoother. It differs. Although the engine, the vibrations are not the typical Royal Enfield Classic or Bullet those are having, but it's quite smooth. This twin cylinder engine and full of power. It's like I am riding a 150cc engine, and no, I usually ride a 150cc engine, and while I have a pillion, I feel the lack of the power, but here in this 650 engine, obviously it's a 650 engine and twin cylinder, so that thing I'm really enjoying. Okay, so the horn sounds quite nice. Sudden surge of power when you pull it hard. Oh, it urges you to pull it harder. Awesome. Although the speedometer has been cut off, otherwise the speed would have been shown. So this is the bike which is going to be delivered today. Some fit and finish and leg guard fittings are left over here. So actually this bike belongs to my brother Rajiv. Here both the bike and I got the opportunity to test ride this. So let's see. It will take a bit of time till for finishing up some work on this. So we are waiting just. And there are other variants as well. Let me show you. This is most of the Stella variant. There you go. This is also going to be delivered here. Mid-range one. This is matte finish one, and he is using this leg guard. এটাই তোর ওখানে দেখাচ্ছিল। This vehicle is also going to be delivered here. This is also the base variant firewall, but this is not the matte variant. Okay, this is the glossy one. So this is how our motorcycle looks like. We have fitted this leg guard as an accessory, and overall it looks like this. Okay, so our guy, this big guy is having a big bike today. Okay. So guys, I'm going to give you today the first ride review of the Meteor 350. Although you have already seen various reviews on the Meteor 350, but this is going to be somewhat different. Like, this review is going to be a practical review, like, because I am going to ride you in where we will usually ride the vehicle. Okay, so let's see. না জোরে টানলাম না ওইখানে আমি তোর থেকে আগে আমি জানি এগুলো কি বলিস So here we go. It is sounding really good, but it is really, I mean, the vibrations levels are really down. Really feels good, because being a Royal Enfield without a vibration, really cool. Riding posture is super comfortable, although you cannot stand up while riding, like in this motorcycle. That's the main drawback. Otherwise, for touring purpose, it is really good, and yeah, it is full of power. Again, I am having a pillion. This is the practical review again, I am saying, since this is the actual scenario where we usually ride the motorcycle. Yeah, it is. And obviously it is quite smooth as well. The suspension system is quite efficient and it has been adjusted in a proper manner. Not too steep, not too soft. It's just right. Cornering is super smooth. Yeah, cornering is also good at mediocre speed. But turning at high speed, I cannot say about that because I usually don't prefer riding at high speeds, and I also don't recommend people to ride in high speed. Whichever is possible, whereas at that speed the motorcycle should be ridden. Yeah, क्या कर रहा है? I am really having a really heavy pillion right now, but there is enormous torque this motorcycle has. That's what Royal Enfield is good about. I can say it's pulling really comfortably. No stress at all. 350cc engine. Gear adjustment is really good. Now it is going to be a little bit off-road experience now. It is really getting tested. I don't think this motorcycle is having traction control system in it. This is typical Indian road conditions. Okay, where I am riding presently, and people are here. Why? कोरोना वैक्सीन दिच्छे नाकि एत बयस्क लोक एखाने but the motorcycle is really comfortable. This gliding through the potholes and this patchy road, just gliding through it, really comfortable. I'm impressed with its suspension. It's really good. তাই না ভাই সাসপেনশন যথেষ্ট ভালো ভাই এটা There is no problem at all at low RPM pulling such a high weight, heavy weight. And this bumper, it manages all the bumpers, potholes, speed breakers really well. Handling is also good. ওইটার পরে আমি সিবি 350 চড়েছিলাম জানিস তো অসাধারণ আওয়াজটা দিলি ওটাতে কোনটা কোনটা লিমিট লাগবে তো না না আমি দেখছিলাম Anyway, we are still riding on off-road conditions and bike has been impressive enough. Let's see how good pickup it has. Bike is, I must say, the bike is full of power. Again, I am not comparing it to superficial conditions. I am just comparing it to our practical conditions. As we are used to ride motorcycles of 200cc or 150cc, and in these conditions, and it has the power it has, the torque it has is really good. It's really impressive, and without that too, without any vibration. I think Royal Enfield here has done a really good engineering. again I am riding at least not that sort of motorcycle that you would like to ride at high speed. It is just a comfortable motorcycle and you will ride at comfortable speeds. That's what I am doing. Really good at what its character has been developed for. Let's see how it climbs. Oh, really well. It climbs on heights. It pulls heavy weight really comfortable. Right now riding a motorcycle, full wings, empty high road. This is what motorcycle is. Moderate speed, riding at moderate speed and empty high road, just cruising. If you ride it in such speed, really enjoy it. Beep, beep.